Hello and welcome to Dhyey Consulting's region-wise sales and profit Power BI app. At Dhyey, we have set out to implement projects that help you monetize your data. We design apps and dashboards focusing on leading KPIs and tailor our solutions specific to processes businesses like yours seek to optimize. You can now employ historical data and often incorporate external factors to generate actionable insights that can help you navigate your day-to-day business activities and refine your strategies in a rapidly changing environment. This dashboard gives a clear view of revenue and profit performance across countries and products, helping you compare regional performance at a glance. You can explore which countries drive the most revenue, which deliver the highest profit, and how each product contributes in every market. The interactive map and charts make it easy to spot growth opportunities or underperforming regions. These insights support better territory planning, resource allocation, and strategic sales decisions.